Sandy does a great job here on the Navicula, and you know what? With all the kidding aside, okay, I mean, like, you know, I know I badger the shit out of her, and you guys see it, and I put it on video. I'm on her all the time. You know what? We all know that Sandy is the saint here, and she's a great person, and really, without her, the Navicula would not sail. I'm sure of it. I mean, like, it would be a disaster for me. I would have to change 110%.
It would sail, but in a very different experience for John Gomes.
Yeah, you know what? It's a big deal to have a mate that participates. That's all. And you know what? Should I apologize for all the badgering I do?
Yes.
I apologize.
Yes.
Will you accept my apology?
No.
Morning. It's not a very nice day. It's pretty windy out today. We were really rolling last night, I'll tell you. So what happens is we're going to be moving a little further south, but we're going to go do it on the inside. The winds are coming from the east today, but almost directly from the east, but it's got a bit of a chill on it. So I'm just getting ready here to lift anchor and move out of here and head to another spot a little bit more deserted. I'm at Black Point here right now, and there's lots of boats here, and we're gonna go to a place probably where there's no boats. This weather's supposed to last for a week. Yeah, a week. Yeah, that's bullshit. So anyways, it is what it is, and I'm waiting for the beautiful Sandy to come up here to help me take this thing off the anchor. So today, because we got a lot of wind pushing on us, the winds are 20 knots right now, and because of the winds, Sandy's gonna control the boat forward while I give her hand signals, and I will bring the anchor up, and then that will relieve the stress on the windlass or anything so nothing breaks. That's all we do here. We try to prevent things from breaking because everything's broken and we just don't know it yet.
Yes, he's broken too. Remember that. And he doesn't ever seem to get fixed.
There you go. Look at all the support I get here. All right. So dear.
Yep.
I'm gonna mosey on up to the front. Are you ready? I
Yep.
think. Oh, let's bring the ladder up. Oh, here's something else.
Oh, do you want... I'm just wondering, do we want to extend the ropes a bit or no?
Although it's windy and rough out right now, the color of the water is still beautiful. I can still see the bottom. Okay, you'll have to stand behind the wheel.
Yep.
Latitude adjustment. This is Lulu.
Good job, eh? You're really good at the anchor this year. All right, Sandy's done a great job this year, in particularly lifting up the anchor. It's been great. Thank you, Joe. Wow, we got some big 17 knots of wind on our back here. It's pushing the boat along at 5 knots. I mean, like
11:30.
11:30 is low tide?
Yeah. And rudder, it's 11.
Oh, really different.
Yeah, a little bit. So anywhere between say 10:45 and 11:30.
Okay. The low tide is getting later in the day every day. So for us, I mean daylight hours. So what happens, guys, every day it goes back an hour. I'm not sure why, but it goes back an hour. So today, low tide is at 11:30 here. It would have been 10:30 yesterday. It's always about an hour
Yep.
difference every day. So
There's actually another boat that's just turned around and coming.
yeah, the one
out.
that followed us in here yesterday too. So anyways, that's the story, Morning Glory. Peace out. We are in an area we've never been in, and we're seeing depths of under a foot under our keel here. We're going slow. The anchor's ready to go in case I get stuck. Now, we're on a rising tide, but it's windy. We have the anchor ready to go if we get stuck, but we're looking really good. It's kind of stressful and fun at the same time to travel these really skinny waters. But anyways, we're prepared, and anyways, I think we're gonna make it. We're only going not very far, but we got a really skinny water part ready to go coming up real soon. So that one, once we get over that, then we're home free. But we need 1.6 of water, meters of water. And what's coming up here is 1.4 meters of water. Now, let me tell you again, we're on a rising tide, so we should be okay. And if we touch bottom, we get stuck for a minute or an hour, that's not a problem. We'll just wait for the tide to rise and get us off. That's the way we're rolling today.
Oh, here's a question. Or a debate, maybe, to bring up at home with your friends. What do you prefer? Percolated coffee or instant coffee? Let us know.
I want my coffee when I wake up. That's what I want. I don't care if it's instant or percolated. I want it when I wake up. I want my coffee. That's all there's to it. So I don't care. I don't care if it comes out of a machine or comes out of a cow. I don't care. I want a coffee.
A cow.
Like, I don't care where it comes from. Okay, I want a good hot coffee. That's all I want. And then I want to sip on it in a nice spill-proof mug, because I will spill my coffee.
Yes, even in a spill-proof mug, he still spills it.
Jesus Christ.
On the bed.
I'm going to tell you what happened.
How does that happen?
I'm going to tell you what happened. So this cup here, the switch is on the side. All right. And it fell. I was in bed having a coffee, and it fell beside me. And I don't know, I rolled over or something like that. But I rolled onto the switch, and it emptied into the bed, and it started burning my back. And I'm like, what the hell is this pain in my back? And yeah, that's what happened. Guys, we got, we're going to have about 3 guests, 3 groups coming this year on the Navicula, which is great. We've just had one group.
Yep.
We're expecting another one, and then a third one. I mean, like, it's pretty wild. Now, some of these people are new, like they've never been on the Navicula before. And some of these people have been. If you come once, you're gonna want to come again. That's what really happens.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So we tried to give a different experience for people that have been on the boat before. A different area or something along that line.
Out of all the people we've had on board, there's really nobody that really wouldn't want to come back. They had a bad experience or anything. It's like, you know what?
That we know of.
Yeah, or they're not telling us. We aren't staying this long this year in the Bahamas. We got other commitments we have to deal with at home.
Yeah.
So, and that'll be me retiring soon. Yeah. But anyways, thank you for watching. Thanks for coming along, guys. We really appreciate it. Love the comments. You know, if you guys have any suggestions, nasty comments, I don't care. Bring them on. We can always use the help here on the Navicula. I appreciate it. Talk to you later.